you.
Hoax means it's not a flower. Hoax. Now put it back on.
Okay. Baby Bruce Banner should blow his nose.
Who the heck are you? Okay.
Okay.
Now put it back on.
Okay.
I'm Wasteland! And I can help you, but I only have one eye. Are you a one-eyed guy? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
I'm alive.
Do you have to blow your nose?
What happened? What happened? How did I? What the heck? What the heck is this pink guy? Whatever he is, he looks weird. Spider-Man? I killed him. Ooh, what's this hammer? This is the hammer I was trying to put. What does it do anyways? Oh, whatever. Now, okay, now let's put it on YouTube now.
Okay.